AI can generate content, but content alone is not what people truly follow. People follow humans. The internet is entering the synthetic era. AI generated writing, AI generated music, AI generated influencers, AI generated personalities. The amount of synthetic media is about to explode. Authentic human signals may become rare, and when something real becomes rare, its value often increases. Information isn't enough. People rarely make decisions based purely on information. They respond to trust, emotion, relatability, confidence, and social connection. Human psychology shapes behavior more than raw data. Trust is built through consistency. Trust develops slowly through repeated signals, reliability, honesty, emotional authenticity, shared perspective. That process is deeply human. People want human context. Facts matter. But people also want interpretation, lived experience, emotional meaning, human perspective, especially during uncertainty. Identity creates gravity. Strong human identity naturally attracts attention, not because it's perfectly optimized, because it feels real. The future internet may have a trust problem. As synthetic content increases, verification becomes harder. People may increasingly question what is real, what's automated, what's manipulated, what's authentic. Trust becomes scarce infrastructure. Human reputation becomes more valuable. A trusted reputation may become one of the most important digital assets because credibility filters noise, and noise is exploding. People follow people they feel connected to. Connection is emotional. People remember personality, stories, values, energy, and communication style, not just information. Communities form around human signals. Audiences don't only gather around content, they gather around identity. Shared worldview creates loyalty in ways algorithms alone cannot replicate. Your perspective becomes an asset. In an AI saturated world, unique perspective gains value, not because you know everything, but because your interpretation becomes differentiating. Personality becomes leverage. As technical production becomes easier, personality becomes harder to replace. People increasingly choose creators, leaders, and brands based on emotional resonance. Authenticity becomes a filter. Authenticity is difficult to fake consistently over long periods. That's why audiences intuitively search for real human signals, especially when synthetic media becomes common. The future may reward human presence, calm confidence, clarity, empathy, humor, perspective, emotional intelligence. These qualities may become increasingly valuable forms of differentiation. Don't hide your humanity. The instinct may be to become more optimized, more algorithmic, more machine like, but the future may reward the opposite. Build trust before it becomes scarce. Trust compounds slowly. That's why authentic reputation becomes increasingly powerful over time, especially in noisy environments. Human connection may become premium. As AI scales synthetic interaction, real emotional connection may become more psychologically important, not less. Technology often increases demand for what feels genuinely human. AI can simulate personality, but people still search for meaning, trust, shared experience, and emotional resonance. Those needs remain deeply human. People will follow humans, not AI. The future internet may be flooded with synthetic content, but authentic human identity may become one of the most valuable forms of leverage left. I hope you're enjoying the series. Please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when the next video drops. Thanks for watching.